Hello and welcome to my new Blender tutorial. I was asked how I did this simulation here. It's just some rigid body cubes falling down, and if the camera is at a specific angle, you can see the image texture on here very good, which is a pretty nice effect. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's get right started. I start from the very beginning with a new file. I turn on my screencast keys so you can see something. So add a cube, GZ, I move it up, and then Shift D, Y and 3, and Shift R a few times, so you have a few cubes here. Then I select all, Shift D, X, 3, Shift R, and I have a few more cubes. And select them all, Shift D, Z, V, Shift R, and I have a few more cubes. Then A to select all, G, Z to move it up, R to rotate, and then Object, Widget Body at Active. We want a material, so we go to Shading, and this material we press Ctrl T, and the node wrangler will give us here some new nodes, but we don't need the volume, so we need this here. So we open up a nice image. In this I take the Golden Gate Bridge, and this is all we want to do here. So I go back to Layout and press Ctrl L and link materials. Then I do M, move to new collection, and I call the collection cubes. Then I go and add a plane, and I scale this plane up very much, and I give this plane a rigid body passive, and it gets mesh as shape. Sensitivity goes down to 0. What else do we need? We have the rigid body, that's good. And now we start the animation, and as you can see, we have a very nice animation here. It falls down. This is good. This is what we want. We give the plane also material, so kind of color. So now the simulation is ready. We hit here current cache to bake. So you see here in the timeline the color changed, and we make a copy cubes texture, save. And what we do now, we add a light. Why not? We take a sun, so we add one. So add camera, and we are looking for a nice view here so we can get the picture on it. And yes, that's good. Now we select all cubes here. We go to edit mode, we go to UV editing, and then we go to UV project from view. And now the picture should be projected on our cubes, and here you see the result. Of course, we could change the lighting a bit because it's a bit dark, so maybe 3, you see the picture a bit better. And of course, if you then move around, it looks like this. But the good thing is, and that's interesting about it, if you reach again this angle, it's a really nice effect, and you see the picture. Yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you. hope you learned something. Have fun. Bye.